Hey everybody, today we are working on the Springdale Summerland Mini, and this is a 2017 camper. And what I noticed this winter in the bathroom, usually I put some water in the bowl and I put a little RV antifreeze in it to keep the rubber seal nice and wet and lubricated so it doesn't leak. This year it kept leaking, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to change that gasket out. I have bought a new gasket. Here is the new gasket. There is the part number. I got three of them from eBay. I don't remember how much I paid for it. So what I've done also is I went ahead and got some no stick vegetable oil spray, and I sprayed this seal down to make it slide in better. I also have a pair of latex gloves that I use when I disconnect the sewer pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in here and take that seal out and install the new seal. You have to hold this open while you do it. So I got my tripod all set up. We're going to get ready to do this. Let me get you all set up, get my rubber gloves on, and we'll pull this old seal out and we'll get the new seal installed hopefully pretty quick. Alrighty, we're going to try to do this all in one take. I have the new gasket sitting over there. It does say this side up. I have a trash bag over there. I've got my goofy yellow gloves on. So now I'm going to get down here. Hopefully you can see. I'm going to use my knee to hold the flush valve open, and I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to pull out the old one. And there's the old one. It's going to go right into the nasty trash bag. And now, you can't see it, but there's a lip in here that the new one has to go into. So the biggest part is you do not want to drop this down into your toilet and into your thing, into your holding tank. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here and start to work it in. Now this might be harder than I think it's going to be. And then you're just going to start, I'm going to need both hands. Start working that lip in that groove. You know, maybe I should not have put that oil on here like the guy told me to do. I can get it started on one side, and then as soon as I start moving it around, it wants to pop out. So this might take some finagling to get this in here. This is kind of a pain in the butt. I can get it started, but then it doesn't want to stay in. Huh. I think I might have messed up a little bit by putting this vegetable oil on. Maybe I should have tried to put it in dry. So next time I do this, I'm definitely not going to be using the vegetable oil. Oh, I think I got it. I don't know how long that took, but I think I got it. Let's go ahead and let the ball close. Yeah, it looks like I got it all the way in there. Let's open it up. Let's just double check. Yep, that feels good. That feels good. Yeah, it takes a little bit of finagling. I hope my head wasn't in the way. Yep, there we go. It's in the groove. There's a groove that it's got to fit into. So there, we've got the new one in. I am going to take these gloves off. And wrap them up in here, and in the bag they go. Hands are still clean. The new seal's in. Like I said, the seal has a lip that it's got to fit into. So let's go ahead and we'll put a little bit of antifreeze in there to wash that vegetable oil off, and hopefully that is going to take care of my problem. So not hard to do. Next time, I don't think I'm going to use the vegetable oil. I was told to use the vegetable oil on there to make it slide in better, but I think that just made it too slippery. So next time I'm going to do it. If I do it, it's not going to be no vegetable oil. All right, everybody, I'm going to leave it here. This is how you put the upper seal in a Dometic 300 toilet. I think I forgot to mention that. This is a plastic toilet. This is the one that came with the camper. So we are all done, and we'll see if this one holds the water. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. And please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos.